Riwruok mar jopuonj KUPPET bade ma Embu omiyo piny owacho kod kambi mar okumba mar thieth mar Minet ndalo 14 mondo mi kik ng'ad jopuonj atamalo 3 mar agulu mar gero ute mag piny owacho. Ka bende gidwaro ni mondo mi omed gi kwan ute thieth ma ginyalo dhiye, ma ka ok kamano to gibago ng'anyo. Kanoloso Embu, jagoro mar KUPPET bade ma Embu Jacob Karura noywak ni riwruogno osewito jopuonj 2 kod nyathi moro matin kaluwore gi ywaruok ewi od thieth achiel kende moyangi e thiedho jokanyo moingo 20,000. Karura bende ywak ni jopuonj ok oikore mar golo atamalo 3 mar osachgi ne gedo e ute mag piny owacho.
And we want to say today that as members of KUPPET, representing our 3,000 members and their dependents, that we are against this deduction by the government because, number one, the teachers of this country were not consulted. Number two, teachers already have their own plans of their own houses, and majority of the teachers, from the research that we have gathered from our members, is that most teachers already have their homes and are comfortable in their home, in those homes. Now, this government, we actually sniff a sincere motive by the government.
A decent house ya mwalimu, labda ile ya chini kabisa, mwalimu ambaye ako na familia, tunahesabu tunaona ni kitu 1.2 million. Ukitoanisha hizo mahesabu 1.2 million, ukidivide by hiyo 18,000 mwalimu anafaa kutoa every year, unapata mwalimu atalipia hiyo nyumba for 66 years. Mimi mwenyewe nikianza kulipa saa hii 66 years, kweli mimi nitakuwa hai?
Teacher Service Commission do not accredit more facilities in Embu. Then our teachers will have no option other than to go to the streets to demand for our rights. Sure. And this one we are giving 14 days because Minet MKL say they were accredited Imara within 14 days, and other facilities which we have given a list. We want our members to visit all the hospitals of their choice, and for pre-authorization and referrals, we want it to be fast-tracked so that our teachers do not face problems like they have been facing.